Hi and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Chantal, and today it's a weekday. I'm gonna be cooking something simple and tasty. It's gonna be chicken uh, mustard with honey with some twist that you will see inside. So let's start right now. It's a very easy, simple recipe for every weekday. This is a chicken, boneless chicken breasts. You have oil, white wine vinegar, some honey. If you have from your local product, we thank the bees for this nice honey. So this is from here in Quebec. We have, of course, strong hot mustard, some thyme, uh, garlic powder, onion onion powder, salt and pepper. Let's start right now, and we're gonna make the marinade first. Then cut our chicken, marinate our chicken. So let's see the steps. So we're gonna put oil, approximately half a cup. We have here approximately 1.5 kilos of chicken breasts. So here we're gonna put at least two spoons of 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I'm gonna put at least I'm gonna put three tablespoons of mustard. So we want to cover properly our meat. We need the salt. It's not necessary to put too much salt because the mustard is already salty, but we still need to give it a little saltiness for the meat. Pepper. I like a lot of pepper. Okay. Then we're gonna put our honey. Doesn't matter really. So 1 spoon, 2 spoon, 3, approximately 3 tablespoons for the quantity of meat we have now. Some onion powder. That's at least 1 tablespoon. Same thing with maybe two tablespoons of onion powder. Some thyme. Easy part. You just mix it all up. So we'll have enough to cover all our chicken breasts. You're gonna see we're gonna make them a little fillet so it cooks more fast, even faster. Okay, that's done. I'm gonna taste it just to make sure that the balance is good. Yep, it's gonna be good. So we're gonna prepare our chicken. So my trick to go fast with the cooking of the chicken breast, because they are very, oops, unfroze them today, so yeah. So you see it's a little bit thick, and to me when you cook it for a long time, then it gets dry and it takes long to cook. So I split them in two. I remove all the fat, whatever that is not interesting to eat. So it makes you nice fillet like this, which is maybe half inch. So, oops, I forgot. Come here. I'm going to make some incision inside. You've seen me maybe do that before. So this is my way to cook the chicken breast so it cooks fast. It stays tender. Yeah. So we're gonna do this with all of them. And the last one. So as you can see, this one is smaller. So I don't need to cut it in two like that. I'm just gonna clean it. And just open where it's a little bit more thick, just to make it even. See, so you open it like a wallet. So it just comes same thickness, same size. Let's go, and voila. Let me put this on the side. Don't forget to clean very well your tools and counter when you cook chicken and when you handle chicken, to make sure there's no contact with anything else. We don't want to be sick. So now that this is, bring my camera here. Okay, that's good. So here we're gonna have fun and completely cover our chicken with the nice marinade. You see, it's nice and thick, and it's gonna be very yummy. When I put my chicken all cut inside, I always put the incision side where I did all the cuts. I always put it in the marinade first, and then you make sure it goes inside. So it goes inside the cut, so it's gonna give more taste and more tenderness as well. So we're gonna leave this for at least half an hour before we cook it. If you have a chance to do it the day before, it's even better because it's going to be even more tasty and tender. You can cook it on the barbecue, but since now we are winter, I'm going to show you, I'm going to do on the stove with my grill, and I will show you that when this is done in half an hour. So let's clean for now. So now we're gonna open our two burners, or round. Please, if someone knows what is the name in English, please. I'm always this front burner, back burner. They are not burners because there's no fire. So if anyone knows, please tell me. So anyway, we are gonna open both of them. We're gonna put our grilled plate on it. I'm gonna put some oil. So it's vegetable oil, regular oil, just to make sure that our chicken is not gonna stick too much on it. So that should do it. So we're gonna wait. Whoops, I forgot to open them. We're gonna wait until this is quite hot. So when we put our chicken on it, it's gonna drizzle. It's gonna make that noise. So let's wait a moment and I'll be back. So you can feel it's very hot and you start to see the oil a little bit burning, so making a little bit fume. So we're gonna first try one. So I'm gonna put it on the cut side. Yeah, that's exactly the noise we were looking for. I'm gonna open the fan. Sorry about that, but so that's exactly what we're looking for. So we're gonna put all of our meat. If some like it, this one is a little bit thicker, so I'm gonna put it directly on the round the burner. If they're smaller, we can put them a little bit on the side, but anyway, we're gonna change them after anyway. Already just do that, the smell is very, very good. So this we're gonna clean it. Of course, we're not gonna reuse this. So now it's starting to get brown. So I'm gonna put the heat of the burners a little lower, medium high, almost medium high. So we don't want it to burn, but we want it to grill. So we're still gonna keep um, the fire a little bit high, but medium high, depending how your stove is. You can adjust. It's better to let it cook slowly and to get a nice tender meat and nice brown color than too much high, and then it's gonna burn and it's not gonna be as good. So basically we're gonna wait until all around the chicken it gets white. So it means it's gonna be half cooked and even a little bit more than half. So then we're gonna turn them, and it should not stick to the grilled pan. So now my heat is at medium. I'm gonna let this cook until it's completely done. You're gonna see here is pink. I don't know if you see it inside. That's a really good trick to know if it's cooked or not. So now we know we have to let it until inside becomes white. I still have some leftover potatoes from my other dish, nice lamb roast. So if you want to check out this recipe as well, and I will show you the potatoes, how they are beautiful and tasty, and this will be a good companion to our chicken. So you see this one, I'm still gonna turn it, but when the ones here are cooked, I'm gonna bring it to finish. If I had two big burners, then I would not have this issue with that one. But because this one is small, this one is big, so cooks. Everything here cooks at the same time, but this small part is not. So anyway, we're gonna bring it in the front after. I really like this device. It's a little bit. The first time I used it, it started to bend a little bit. So since then, I'm stuck with that. But it gives a good result, and it's a little bit painful to wash. But anyway, what I do is I take this, I let it cool down because you don't want to put water when it's very hot, and then I immerse it for the night, and the next day I wash it. So this is almost done. You see a little pink here because it's this way. This one, I like to check them, but because we already have a cut, so we can go further in the cut and check. See, this one is completely done. So I'm gonna remove it. I just break it now. So once this is done, I'm going to cover with aluminum paper and let it rest for at least 10 minutes, 10, 15. And it's gonna rest, it's gonna come juicy, it's gonna come tender, and it's gonna be beautiful and tasty. And by the time I'm gonna prepare the rest, I'm gonna prepare the plate. So after 10 to 15 minutes, the chicken has rested. Now it's time to taste. Nice. Look at that. It's just very beautiful. There's some juice, so it means it kept the juice too. So we're gonna take our nice piece of chicken. Look at that. It's beautiful. I'm gonna serve with some broccoli. And I have here nice potatoes. I'm coming back. So this is our nice chicken with potatoes and broccoli. The chicken is grilled perfect. And I already had some vegetables, so it's a very easy everyday meal. So let's taste it. So we're gonna cut this nice chicken. You can even do it with a fork. So let's taste this. Mm. It's very good. The taste of the mustard with a little honey is not too sweet. It's very well balanced with a little acidity of the uh, vinegar, the white wine vinegar, which is less strong than the red wine. So I really like to use the uh, white wine vinegar. So let's go again. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe and you're gonna come back to my kitchen. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you for the next recipe.